Hi, my name is Janiel Mignott. I am from Exercise School.
Mignott, that's math.
I think I joke.
It's a camera, Alright, so Mignott, definitely, how was the campaign for you?
Well, it was a wonderful campaign. I enjoyed the experience, and it was alright.
Which one of the games that you said would have been the most difficult game for you?
Definitely the Honduras match, the Honduras game.
So? Why was it that difficult?
Because they were a tough opponent, and then they have good players, and they were determined for what they want, but we were determined for what we want.
Alright, so Alright, so in regards to the team overall performance for the campaign, what would you say about your performance and also how the team composed themselves through this competition?
Okay. They knew what they wanted, and they went out there and they did their best, and then for that we came out victorious for all the matches, and we played hard. And then for me, I went out there for every match and I give it all, non-stop, right to the finish. And that's what the coach asked for, and that's what I did.
When you guys defeated Honduras, there was a lot of celebration. What was the feeling at that point in time?
Well, it was a wonderful feeling because most of us on the under 20 side, we were on the under 17 side from last year, and we wanted that, but we didn't get it. So we get it this year.
Revenge is sweet, right?
Revenge, yes.
Yes, you guys performed very, very well. I enjoyed the performance, definitely. You might have seen some of the match reaction. I really enjoyed the performance, and I want to say congratulations on what you guys have done. You work hard, I deserve it, and well done, yeah?
Yes, thanks.